In this video, I will show you how to train Deepseek AI for specific tasks. Let's get started. First, I go to the Deepseek chat interface. I start by typing a prompt in the message bar to set up our training system. I type a clear roleplay setup instruction. From now on, act as a professional fitness coach. Whenever I ask about health or exercise, give practical, beginner-friendly advice, explain the reasoning behind your recommendations, and provide step-by-step workout and nutrition suggestions tailored to my goals. After typing out this initial instruction, I click the send button. Deepseek accepts the role and asks me for my primary goal, current experience level, and any limitations to help customize my coaching experience. It then automatically provides a basic set of rules, a template workout, and a baseline nutrition protocol as a starting point. To feed the AI more context and refine its training, I scroll down to the bottom. I write a response in the message box to answer its follow-up question. Create a simple 7-day workout plan for a beginner who wants to lose weight. This prompt helps customize the template specifically for weight loss. I hit the blue arrow send button. The AI updates its knowledge based on this constraint and spits out a 7-day fat loss launchpad plan. It details the strategy, a simple warm-up sequence, and a structured day-by-day plan with specific exercises, reps, and low-impact cardio routines. This teaches Deepseek the level of detail and formatting I want for my daily plans. Next, I want to refine the nutrition advice. I scroll past the generated workout list to the bottom of the chat. In the text area, I type, "Recommend a healthy meal plan for one day that is affordable and high in protein." I send this instruction. Deepseek immediately adjusts and provides a highly specific, low-cost, high-protein daily eating schedule. It starts with the key benefits, outlines a shopping list with estimated prices for ingredients like eggs, black beans, tuna, Greek yogurt, and sweet potatoes, and then presents a detailed meal plan from breakfast to an optional evening drink. This completes our training sequence, leaving us with an AI that is now fully customized to behave as a dedicated fitness coach. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.